Hello students. In previous lecture we have already discussed image formation in convex lens, total 3 cases. Now our fourth case is position of the object. In short we can say that it is a photo. So our position of the object is between f1 and 2f1. So here you can see it is object. Now we make this object image. So I get two rays. The first one is parallel to the principal axis. Okay, when he reached at point O, now it refracted and after converging it passing through the F2. Okay, now my second rays is passing through the optical center O. Okay, optical center O. So now here it is 2F2. So both rays meet here. So here I get image of this object. So it is image. So here, dear students, you can see the position of the image is opposite side to the object and beyond 2F2. Okay. So in short, we can say that beyond 2F2. Now, nature of the image. So here it is real and inverted, and size of the image. So it is bigger than the object. So here we can write bigger than the object. So students, you can see when our photo is between f1 and 2f2, then position of the image is beyond 2f2 and it is opposite side to the object. Now nature of the image is real and inverted and size of the image is bigger than the object. Now our next case is fifth one. Position of the object is, now we put the object at f1. At f1. So here it is object. Now I get two rays. The first one is parallel to the principal axis. After refracted, this ray is passing through the focal point F2. Now second ray is passing through the optical center O. So we know very well when the rays is passing through the optical center O, now it is not change their direction. Okay, so here you can see our two rays are become parallel. So our image is at infinity. It means in this case, dear students, we get image is highly enlarged. So what is position of the image? So position of the image is at infinity. Now what is the nature of the image? So here we can see both rays are converged. So we can say that nature of the image is real and inverted. And what is the size of the image? So it is enlarged. or in another word we can say that it is a highly enlarged. Okay, highly enlarged. Now our last case of convex lens, and it is 6-1. So position of the object is between optical center O and principal focus F1. Okay, so here we can write between O and F1. Now again I take two rays. The first one is parallel to the principal axis. When it reach at optical center O. Now students, after converging, it meet point at F2, and second ray is passing through the principal focus, or we can say that optical center O. So here you can see both rays are actually not meet on this side. So if I extended this ray like this, then it rays meet here. So here I can get image. So here you can see it is image. So what is the position of the image? So position of the image is on the same side of the object. On the same side of the object and beyond 2f1. Okay, beyond 2f1. Now what is the nature of the image? So here you can see the nature of the image is virtual and erect. Virtual and erect. Now what is the size of the image? So here you can see it is enlarged. Okay, it means it is bigger than this object. So it is most important case. Okay, so when we place the position of the object is between O and F1, then we get position of the image is on the same side of the object and is beyond 2f1. Now what's about the nature of the image? So it is virtual and erect. What is the size of the image? It is enlarged. In simply we can say that it is bigger than the image. Okay, so it is total 6 cases. If you like this video, then share, subscribe and like. Thank you so much.